The cheesy bread did not happen. It just didn't happen. But we're gonna keep trying until we eventually get to cheesy bread. This was our liquid starter. It rose and then fell back as it normally should. But again, you can see all those beautiful bubbles. So this one, I'm actually not gonna discard any because there's just such a small amount in here that I wanna bulk it up to about 100 grams. So I'm just gonna feed straight into this and we'll be fine there. So we'll actually go ahead and start with this one because I don't have to do that. So I know that there's about 25 grams in here. I need at least 100. So I'm going to do 25 of the sourdough starter, and then I'm going to do like 35 grams of flour and like 35 grams of water, and that'll get us roughly to 100. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and do 40. And even though that this was at a 1-to-1 ratio yesterday with feeding her, it took her a really long time to rise. I think it's just because our house stays so cold, but a lot of times that's okay because I usually leave Suzanne to rise while I'm at work. So I actually prefer for her to not rise in like 4 to 6 hours because then I have to like feed her again and try to time it perfectly. Or most of the time I just go ahead and bake with her anyway. Just keep the show moving. That's so much better. Alright. Let her sit on the counter today, and then hopefully she will have risen where she needs to be by tonight so I can go ahead and start mixing up the focaccia and it can kind of like set and rise overnight. And the great thing about focaccia is you actually want it overproofed a lot, so I actually probably won't mix that or put it in to bake it until like tomorrow night if I can mix it tonight. But stay tuned.